Welcome to Rhinosport Australia. My name's Danny. We're talking today about our custom-built rifles. For many years we've been bringing in components and we've been mixing and matching and building custom-built rifles, or assisting many of our very happy customers to build their own custom rifles. Today, here's an example of a custom rifle that we've put together. This particular rifle is a blend of many components that we have available and are ready to order or available for sale in stock. This particular rifle is in an MPA Vanquish chassis. It has the lightweight rear buttstock arrangement, so the competition buttstock arrangement with a 3D printed bag rider on the bottom, which moves backwards and forwards independently. It has the adjustable comb without the wheel weights, so they've taken the weights out of the rear of this, so everything's done on Allen keys for length of pull and for comb height. A little bit easier to just take the comb out when you're cleaning and doing things like that. It has the large hole in the rear of the buttstock to help you get in and move the rifle around between stages if you're shooting PRS and things like that. The grip section in this rifle is full of a myriad of choices. We've got 3 or 4 different pattern grips, from vertical and swept. We've got different size pedals, which are your thumb rests on the side. There's 4 or 5 different options of sizes of those. The finger rest on the trigger guard is also 4 or 5 different options of those. You get all of those options with the chassis, but you only get 2 selections of grip. There's also a new MEVG grip, which is the enhanced vertical grip, which was taken from other MPA chassis and adopted to fit this new matrix layout. You still have the rear bubble level on the side, or the inclinometer, and it is adjustable and lets you see where you are. Moving to the front of the chassis, we've now got integral side rails built into this chassis in the fore end, narrowed up a little bit from the Matrix Pro 2, but the Vanquish is a little bit slimmer in the front end, a little bit easier to handle and a little bit less bulk. It has the slots available for putting in all of the MPA weights, and on the top of the bridge we have a full section of threaded holes which allow you to move these nested bridges either forwards or backwards wherever you'd like to place them, or you can have a number of nested bridges which run and semi-enclose the fore end. Obviously we have these are M-lock, these double as M-lock slots. On the underside we have a more pronounced arc rail now, so it slides all the way on and off from the front as well, so you don't have to battle and fight to get into tripods or anything that you're using with the Arca system on the front. It has the well-known and renowned Picatinny and Arca rail spigot mount out the front as well. The heart of this rifle is built on a Curtis Custom Valor action. We have some more of these coming next year. 3 lug bolts, spiral fluted, 60-degree bolt lift. It's a DLC coated bolt, but polished DLC. And we have a black nitrided action, 20 MOA rail, integral recoil lug, and this particular action has integral switch lugs as well. So just undo these grub screws and you can change barrels in and out. The barrel on this rifle is a Hart prefit, which we bring in from the States, and they're already done, threaded, chambered, ready to go. Just wind them on the rifle, throw a magazine in them and just go out and start shooting. We have a Trigger Tech Diamond flat single stage trigger, and at the front of this rifle we have an MPA DNA DN3 brake, which is a 4-port 4-chamber brake. Works exceptionally well. This particular rifle is chambered in 6 Creedmoor, but this rifle has additional barrels in 6.5 Creedmoor and a few others as well, so a very, very easy setup to run. We have an MPA uni mount on here, 34mm uni mount with 0 MOA. You can also get those in 20 MOA cant if you need them. And this particular rifle is running a US Optics Foundation 25. We particularly like this brand of scope. They're bulletproof and you can take them off and use them as a hammer and then put them back on your rifle again should you need a hammer while you're doing a PRS stage. That super accurate, very, very easy to use, very functional and very intuitive to use and control, and a really good selection of reticles as well on these, and we really like these USAs. That about wraps this up. It is a very good rifle, very nice. Obviously the finish on this particular chassis is called it's a Galaxy Red and Black, and it's an anodized finish, so it has a very, very nice clear, semi-clear finish over the top of it as well, and in daylight and sunlight it looks spectacularly good. So for all your custom rifle builds, and we've got plenty of components coming in 2026. We've got some ace barrels, we've got more actions from Falcor, Curtis, and also American Rifle Company. We will have plenty of gear to be able to help you build your custom rifle, or you can consult with us and we can organise it for you. Thanks for listening and thanks for watching.